Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for your views, likes, rockets, and for promoting the channel. Peaches, a popular review. The ultimate summer peach Charlotte. All you need to do is swap the classic apples for fragrant peaches, and this wonderful cake takes on a whole new flavor. Everything else stays the same as usual. Slice the peaches into wedges, pour the batter over them, pop them in the oven, and wait until the top turns golden brown. The classic bruschetta with tomatoes can wait until fall. For now, arrange thin half slices of ripe peaches on toasted baguette pieces. The bread should first be generously spread with ricotta. That's highly recommended. Then dress the peach slices with olive oil, lemon juice, fresh basil, pepper, and salt. Eating the heat is easy with a peach iced tea. Roughly chop the peaches and simmer them in a sugar syrup until soft. Then mash them into a puree for a more intense flavor and aroma. Let the peaches steep in the syrup, then strain the mixture. Use the fruit pulp in ice cream and pies and add the syrup to cold tea. If you want to impress your guests with a brilliant new idea, try making a shrimp and peach salad. It might seem like these ingredients come from completely different culinary universe, but toss in any mix salad greens, some white tomatoes, and a splash of balsamic vinegar, and you've got a stunning, well-balanced dish. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with us. More great content is coming. It's always going to be interesting, as always.